Aalis na naman
Welcome
kami.
back to
We're
our
going
channel.
to Bacoor Friend. Sa Bacoor?
Yes.
Okay. Yan na po. Nura.
His name is Khalid.
Oh, his name
Yeah.
is Khalid.
And his sister is
Ayan.
Haya.
Haya. Ayan, papunta na kami dito. Nandito na kami.
And
Kita, pagkatapos
And there
magluto,
was
naligo ka agad si Inday Lukring. Kaya nalulukring eh. Ang init-init. Yes.
when we went there was a lot of content. We swam and there was a piñata.
Pinyata.
Yeah. First when the piñata, only me I was there because it was Khalid's
Yes.
birthday.
O, see? Diba? Ang daldal ng alaga ni...
Dada,
Ang daldal ng alaga ni Jerlyn at saka ni
Dada,
ano...
you know
see,
what?
What?
I'm
Yeah.
bigger than all my friends.
Yes.
I was bigger. Do you know that I'm bigger than all my friends?
Ang
That the
init,
girls
grabe.
Galia.
Tingnan mo, basa pa yung hair ko. Hindi pa ako naka-ready. Basta na lang larga.
all because
O paano? Nahanap namin yung bahay, hindi alam ng driver.
my friends.
Hello! Yala, Nora.
Fun girls and boys. And those are the.
Nora, say.
Oh,
What did you
hi.
say?
Subscribe to me and the channel.
This one,
And
your,
now,
the house?
Today's another channel with my cousins.
What is their name?
Galia and
And-
his cookie.
Bacoor. Okay, dito na kami ha. Mamaya ulit. Tingnan mo yung buhok ko. Pero okay pa rin, di ba?
Hindi,
Nakakilay si
bye.
Inday. O sige na, babay na. Mamaya ulit.